Hi, and welcome to our Flexitive tutorial on generating a preview page. My name's Rob, and today I'm going to be taking you through all your options for generating Flexitive previews. In this video, I'll show you your different options for previewing designs. I'll show you the Flexitive in-app preview, and I'll show you how to create an external preview page. Options for previewing designs. Within the Flexitive editor, you can always take a look at your design from within the Active Sizes view. You can preview animations by opening the animation panel, selecting the first frame, and tapping play. This will play through the animation sequence for you. Now, if you want to preview something like a hover state or a replay button or a click-through, you'll need to use one of either the in-app preview or the external preview pages. The in-app preview can be open for a specific size by clicking on the in-app preview button on the left, or for all sizes at the bottom, or you can create an external preview page with the button on the right. Whether you're creating an in-app preview or an external preview page, Flexitive will show you the most recently saved or published version of your Flexitive design. This is different from exporting, where it will always show you the most recently published. In-app previews. Creating an in-app preview for a specific size can be done by clicking the in-app preview button for that size. This is a perfect way to review your design from within the editor. You can choose a different size by clicking on that size's in-app preview button, or exit out of the in-app preview by clicking Exit Preview. You can also make in-app previews of all of your sizes by simply selecting them all and hitting the preview button at the bottom for in-app preview. You can also choose to deselect sizes if you'd only like to get a preview of some specific sizes. You can also refresh the preview by hitting the refresh button to review the animation sequence. The external preview page. External preview pages can be viewed by anyone, whether they're a Flexitive user or not. This is perfect for external approvals. To create one, click the external preview page button for a specific size, and you'll get a preview for that size. The URL is specific to this design and this size and can be shared with anyone. Clicking the refresh button will replay the animation sequence for you. You can also make a preview of multiple sizes by selecting them and then hitting the external preview page button at the bottom of the panel. This will create a preview with all the selected sizes available to you. As with before, you can share this URL with anyone, and you can refresh a specific size by hitting the refresh button. This URL will also update in real time. So going back to our editor, if we make a change to this design, say for example by swapping out this whole beans bag with a coffee cup, we're going to be able to see that change happen as soon as we save the design. So we'll make this swap, hit save. If we go back out to the Active Sizes view, you'll be able to see that all of the sizes now use this coffee cup image instead of the whole beans bag. Returning to our preview page, if we refresh the URL, we can see that change updating in real time. You can now see the coffee cup instead of that whole beans bag. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please email us at support@flexitive.com. If you liked the video, please take the time to like and share it on your favorite social media platforms. Until next time, thanks so much for watching and hope you have a great day.